Product operation. Turn on the power. Press the lift button to raise the forks. Press the lower button to lower the forks. Press the horn button to activate the buzzer. Push down the handle to move the pallet jack forward. Push down the handle to move the pallet jack backward. Press both the turtle button and accelerator knob to move even when the handle is upright. When the emergency reverse button contacts the body, the pallet jack moves in reverse. When the handle is turned to a horizontal or upright position, the pallet jack stops immediately. When the handle is released, the air spring design provides cushioning.